How to loop YouTube videos on mobile. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to only you have to, if you watch this video, then here you can see the if you go to the very end of the video, then you can see the uh, and then you can see the video will not plays, and the you can see the it will takes some second, and here you can see the other videos will play. So what you have to do to loop the video is you have to firstly click you have to in the under the description section you can see this pop-up window, so you have to scroll to the left, and here you can see the save button in the right side. You have to click on the save, and you have to long hold the save button, and then here you can see the new playlist in the right corner. So you have to click on the new playlist, and here you can uh, uh, give a title like the loop, and then you have to click on the create, and you have created the playlist. And now what you have to do, you have to go to the library, and then yeah. And when you scroll the bottom of this the library page, then you can see the loop video. When you click on this, then you click on the loop video, so here you can see this loop video. So what you have to do, when you click on the video, then the video start playing. So here you can see when you cut this video, then here you can see the in the playlist you can see the drop down arrow in the bottom of this page. So you have to click on this drop down arrow. When you click on this drop down arrow, here you can see there is the in the under the loop text, you can see these two icon. So you have to click on the first icon, which is in the left side. So when you click on this, then the loop is on. So when you place this video to the end, then you can see this the video is again start playing. So you can wait that video is playing or not. So I am showing you, so please so that's so here you can see, and here you can see the video just start playing. So that's it, that how you can loop the video though. So if you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good